Welcome to the Tech Support YouTube tutorial. In this tutorial, we will be discussing how to troubleshoot and solve common tech support issues. From hardware and software to networking and security, this tutorial will provide you with the essential steps for resolving tech support issues. Hardware troubleshooting. When troubleshooting hardware issues, the most important step is to identify the source of the problem. Is it a hardware issue or a software issue? To determine this, you will need to check the power, cables, and connections. Once you have identified the source of the issue, you can begin troubleshooting the hardware itself. Software troubleshooting. Software troubleshooting is a little bit different than hardware troubleshooting. First, you must make sure that the software has been installed correctly. Check the settings and configurations, and make sure that all necessary updates have been installed. If the issue persists, you may need to reinstall the software. Conclusion. In this tutorial we discussed how to troubleshoot and solve common tech support issues. From hardware and software to networking and security, we provided you with the essential steps for resolving tech support issues. Thank you for watching, and for more information visit our website at www.example.com.